class 10, that is class 10 linear equations. This is class 10 linear equations. Now your this exercise cross multiplication method, exercise 3.5. This is cross multiplication method. Cross multiplication method. First, that is 1. This is x minus 3y minus 3 equal to 0, and 3x minus 9y minus 2 equal to 0. Here we find that a1 by a2 is equal to 1 by 3, b1 by b2 is equal to, this is also minus 3 by minus 9, that is equal to 1 by 3, and c1 by c2, that is equal to 3 by 2. So here we find that this your if a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 not equal to c1 by c2, a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 not equal to c1 by c2, then there is no solution. So there is no solution, so it ends here. Now everything ends here. Now I'm going to another question. That is another question. Question number 2. Your question number 2 is 2x plus y is equal to 5 and 3x plus 2y equal to 8. So here this will be 2x plus y. You have to shift all this to one side. Minus 5 is equal to 0, and 3x plus 2y minus 8 equal to 0. You have to shift all this to one side. So here cross multiplication method, here you see carefully. First of all you write like this, then 1 by. While finding the value of x, you remove this x, and now the coefficient of y is 1 with sign, and coefficient of this next equation is 2, and this c1 and c2 is minus 5 and minus 8. This c1 and c2. And again when we write y, we move in anti-clockwise direction. While writing y is removed. So c1 and c2, minus 5 minus 8, and then a1 a2, 2 3, and while writing 1, this c1 c2 is removed. So here, since it moves in anti-clockwise direction, this is a1 a2, 2 3, 1 2. So when you write x, for x, not write x, for x, this part is eliminated. This is b1 b2 and c1 c2. When you write y, then this is c1 c2, this is a1 a2, and when you write 1, that is a1 a2, and this is b1 b2. So here you see I have put the arrow, so because at first I have to multiply this and then this. So x by minus 8 minus 10, minus 10, that is plus 10, y by minus 15 means I have to tell one thing, that is, first of all you have to multiply this. 1 into minus 8 is minus 8, and then minus sign is there. After that you have to multiply these two, that is minus 10. Again here minus 15, then again minus, and then this into this is minus 16, and this is equal to 2 2s are 4, this minus 3. That means the cross multiplication method, here in cross multiplication method, that is, first of all you have to, for the first step is that you shift all these terms to one side, and your uh, right side will be 0, equal to 0. Now in these two equations, in these two equations, that is, uh, in these two equations, that is, uh, a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. So your x, this is equal to y, and this is equal to 1. So here you see that when you take this x gets removed. Here it is b1 b2 c1 c2. When we take y, this set is removed, so this is c1 c2 a1 a2. And when we take 1, then this is removed, so a1 a2 b1 b2. See, when we take x, this is removed, that means we are the b1 b2 c1 c. That means we are shifting towards right, means we are moving. And when we take y, then c1 c2 and a1 a2, therefore means we are moving in anti-clockwise direction. So at first we have to do this into this, means x by this into this, b1 c2 minus again this into this, b2 c1. Again for y, this into this, c1 a2 minus this into this, a1 c2. And for 1, a1 b2 minus a2 b1. We move like this. So here this will be x by minus 8 plus 10, that is equal to y by minus 15 plus 16, that is equal to 1 by 1, that is x by 2, y by 1, 1 by 1. So x is equal to x by 2 equal to 1, that means x is equal to 2, y by 1 is equal to 1, so y equal to 1. So x is equal to 2 and y equal to 1. This is your answer. So this is your answer. 3.5, 3.5 is your answer. See, this is your answer. X is equal to 2 and y equal to 3. This is your answer. X is equal to 2 and y equal to 1. So this is how we do cross multiplication. I am going to do one more questions for you. See, let me take one more question. That is, let me take one more question. That is question number 3. Let me see question number 3. 3x minus 5y equal to 20 and 6x minus 10y equal to 40. So here 3x minus 5y minus 20 equal to 0. 6x minus 10y minus 40 equal to 0. So this is x by, if will be b1 b2 with sign, minus 5 minus 10 minus 20 minus 40. Y by, this will be y by c1 c2 and a1 of y by c1 c2. C1 c2 is y minus 20 minus 40, 3 6 and 1 by, this is for 1, 3 6. Oh, again there is a problem here. What is the problem? I'm going to tell you. There is a problem, that is a1 by a2 is equal to 3 by 6, that is equal to 1 by 2, and your b1 by b2 is equal to minus 5 by minus 10, that is equal to 1 by 2, and your c1 by c2 is equal to minus 20 by minus 40, this is also 1 by 2. So your a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2. So it is infinitely many solution. So this is infinitely many solution. This will be infinitely many solution. Let me show you that a1 by 2, that is infinitely many solution. Infinitely many solution. This will be infinitely many solution. Now again, your question number, this is 8. 3a by x minus 2b by y equal to minus 5, and a by x plus 3b by y equal to 2. Here you can do like this. It will be easier at your level. This will be easy. Let us take 1 by x is equal to u and 1 by y is equal to v. So this equation will be, first will be 3au minus 2bv plus 5 equal to 0, and your second equation will be au plus 3bv minus 2 equal to 0. So here u by equal to v, and this will be 1. So your u, it will be a1 b1 b2, so minus 2b 3b b1 b2 c1 c2 5 2, and when we take v, that is c1 c2 5 minus 2 a1 a2 3a a, and when we take 1, this is 1 3a minus 2b 3b. So here you see u, that is minus 4b minus then 15 5 15b. This will be v, this is 5a minus, that is this into this 6 minus 6a. Again this is 9ab minus 2ab. So this will be u by minus 19b, and this is v by 11a, and this is 1 by this is 11ab. This is a 4 15. It's okay. So here uh, what I'm going to get is that u by um, u by minus 19b is equal to 1 by 11ab. So u is equal to minus 19b by 11ab. So this is u. U will be equal to bb cancels out, minus 19 by 11a. Let me see the answer. It looks as if there is something wrong. 3.5 3.5 something. um, Fourth, yes, yeah, there is something wrong here, because the answer is u, that is u means x, b is correct. Let me check the question. 3a by x minus 2b by y is equal to minus 5, and a by x plus 3by is equal to 2. So 3au minus 2b minus, here this is plus, a u plus 3b, this is minus 2 equal to 0. So when we take u minus 2b plus 3b, 5, oh, this is minus 2. So this will be plus 4, therefore this will be minus 11. This will be minus 11. This will be minus 11. This will be minus 11b. So here your u, that is by minus 11b, is equal to 1 by 11ab. So here u is equal to minus 11b by minus 11ab. Oh, sorry, this is plus. So u will be equal to 11 cancels out. This will be minus 1 by a. U means 1 by x is equal to minus 1 by a. So x will be equal to minus a. And your v by 11a is equal to 1 by 11ab. So your v is equal to 11ab, sorry, 11a by 11ab. So v equal to 1 by a, 1 by b, and 1 by y is equal to 1 by b. So y equal to b. This is your answer, and this is your answer. These two are your answer. So I am going to next question, next set of question. I am going to next set, that is question number 2. Here question number 2, I am going to question number 2. Question number 2. Question number 2, that is question number 2 to first. For which value of a, b does the following pairs of linear equations have an infinitely many solution? For infinitely many solution, for infinite number of solution, for infinite number of solution, your condition is that a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2. This is for your infinite condition. This is for infinitely many solutions. So here the two equations are 2x plus 3y equal to 7, and a minus bx plus a plus by is equal to 3a plus b minus 2. So here a1 by a2, this is equal to 2 by a minus b, and b1 by b2, this will be 3 by a plus b, and your c1 by c2, this will be 7 by 3a plus b minus 2. So all these are equal, so you can take first 2a minus b is equal to uh, 3 by a plus b. So here 2a plus b is equal to 3a minus b. 2a plus 2b is equal to 3a minus 3b. All this one side, we are bringing this one side. So this will be minus a plus 5b equal to 0. This is equation 1. And now again you can take this this and this, that is 2 by a minus b is equal to c1 by 7 by 3a plus b minus 2. So 2 3a plus b minus 2 is equal to 7a minus b. So this will be 6a plus 2b minus 4 is equal to 7a minus 7b. Bring all this one side, so this will be minus a 2 7 8 9 plus 9b minus 4 equal to 0. So this is equation 2. Now you take like this, minus a plus 5b equal to 0, minus a plus 9b minus 4 equal to 0. These two are your equations. You add this 1 plus 2, you add this to your a. Oh, sorry, not add, you subtract it. You subtract it. It is better that you subtract it because same sign. So you subtract it. So this will be 0 and this will be 1 minus 2. This will be 0 and this will be minus 4b plus 4 is equal to 0. So minus 4b equal to minus 4. So your b will be equal to 1. And you put this value of b in any one of this equation. Let me select this equation. So here minus a plus 5 into 1 is equal to 0. So minus a equal to minus 5. So a equal to 5. These two is your answer. So now again I am going to question number 2. Question number 2 second, that is question number 2 second. Question number 2 second. Question number 2 second, that is 3x plus y equal to 1 and 2k minus 1x plus k minus 1y is equal to 2k plus 1. So here again no solution, that means no solution. For no solution, this will be a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 not equal to c1 by c2. For no solution it will be this. So here 3 by 2k minus 1 is equal to 1 by k minus 1, and this will be not equal to 1 by 2k plus 1. So I am going to take only these two equations, these two, and that is 3 by 2k minus 1 is equal to 1 by k minus 1. So 3k minus 1 is equal to 2k minus 1. So this will be 3k minus 3 is equal to 2k minus 1. So here k is equal to, this is 3 minus 1, that is 2. This will be your answer. This will be your answer. This will be your answer. Now I am going to question number 3. That is 2 3. Question number 2 3. Question number 2 3. That is 2 3. The question is that for what value of p the system of equation px minus y is equal to 2, and this has only one solution, so one solution means unique solution. So here again, one solution, that means unique solution. For this, a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. So the equations are px minus y equal to 2, and 6x minus 2y equal to 3. So here a1 by a2, that is p by 6, is not equal to minus 1 by minus 2. So p by 6 is not equal to 1 by 2. So p is not equal to 1 by 2 into 6. So p is not equal to 3. So this is your answer. And this is your answer. Let me check it. Question number, this is 2 third, 3.52. P is not equal to 3. So now I am going to the question number 4. Question number 4. Question number 4. 2, 4. Find the value of k so that the following has no solution. No solution, again the same method. It is no solution, that is for no solution. Again, for no solution, for no solution, that is a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. So here again the two equations are uh, 3k plus 1x plus 3y minus 2 equal to 0, and k square plus 1x plus k minus 2y minus 5 equal to 0. So here no solutions means a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2. So 3k plus 1 by k square plus 1 is equal to 3 by k minus 2, not equal to, this is not equal to. So 3k plus 1 k minus 2 not equal to 3 k square plus 1. So when we multiply this, this will be 3k square, 3k square plus k minus 6k minus 2 not equal to 3k square plus 3. So this cancels out, and here this will be minus 5k minus 2 not equal to 3. So this will be minus 5k not equal to 5, and so k is not equal to minus 1. This is your answer. So let me check it. This is your answer. 3.5, 3.5. Uh, this is 2 fourth, 2 uh, 2 oh. I did a little bit mistake. This is no solution. This was no solution. Oh, for no solution. This was for no solution. For no solution. Uh, for no solution. A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2 not equal to C1 by C2. I thought that one solution, because earlier question was one solution, so I thought that it is one solution. So here this will be equal to, and not equal to uh, 2 by 5. Minus cancel out. This is equal to, equal to, this is equal to, this is equal to, and this is equal to, this is minus 1. This is your answer. Now I'm going to last question, that is 5 question number 5. Question number 5, 2 5. This is question number 2 5. Find the value of m such that the following system of linear equations has infinite number of solution. Infinite for infinite number of solution, for infinite number of solution, that is mx plus 4y is equal to m minus 4, and another equation is 16x plus my is equal to m for infinite number of solution, that is a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2. So here this will be m by 16 is equal to 4 by m is equal to m minus 4 by m. You can select any two pairs, so let me select this will be easier. That is m by 16 is equal to 4 by m, so here m square is equal to 16 into 4, so your m square, this will be equal to 4 square into 2 square, so your m will be equal to 4 into 2, so your m will be equal to 8. This is your answer. So this is your answer. This is correct after all, just for satisfaction. I'm saying the answer. Want to tell you that is 2 fifth. 2 fifth m is equal to 8. Now you have to solve this. See here. Third question number 3. It is a cross multiplication, so I'm going to do only one for you. Rest you can do it yourself. The method you know, and I have already demonstrated you. So this equal to 9, and 3x plus 2y is equal to 4. So at the first step, what you shift all this to the right, that is right side, 8x plus 5y minus 9 equal to 0, and then 3x plus 2y minus 4 equal to 0. You shift all the terms towards the right, and now x by, and this is equal to y by, and this is equal to 1 by. So x gets removed, so b1 by b2, that is 5 to c1 by c2 minus 9 minus 4. For y this is removed, so c1 c2, that is minus 9 minus 4, and anti-clockwise direction, this is a1 a2, that is 8 3. Again for 1, that is a1 a2, that is 8 3, b1 b2, that is 5 2. So you do this. So x by 5 4s are 20 minus 20 minus 9 2s are 18 minus 18. So this is y by, this is y by minus 27, 3 9 are 27 minus your 4 8 are 32, 32 minus minus 32, because this minus will remain always, and this into this is minus 32, and 1 by 8 to the 16 minus 15. So here x divided x by minus 20 plus 18, and y by minus 27 plus 32, and this is 1 by 1. So x by minus 2, you can go on doing implies that, implies that, implies that. That is y by 32, uh, 32 minus 27. 12 minus 7, this will be uh, uh, 12 minus 7, 12 minus 7, 12, 12 minus 7, this will be 5, 5, 12 minus 5, and this is 1 by 1, so your x will be equal to minus 2 and y will be equal to 5. So third first, this will be 3.5. Your first is x is equal to -2 and y is equal to 5. This is your answer. So now I'm going to this rest of the question, rest question of 3, you can do it yourself because the method you know only it is you can do it yourself. I'm going to the problem sums. So the problem sum is 4 from 4. We have to form a linear pair of equation and you have to find the by any algebraic method, that is you can take a substitution method, elimination method and cross multiplication method. I usually take a cross multiplication method because it is very easy for me. First, that is a part of monthly hostel charge is fixed and the remaining depends on number of days one has taken food in the mess. Let the fixed charge be rupees x, and the charge per day be rupees y. This is the charge per day. Food for 20 days, so he has to, by question, he has to pay this fixed charge, so he has to pay this fixed charge x, and for 20 days the charge per day is y, so for 20 days it will be 20y, and he pays, this is 1000. And for student B who 26 days, that is the fixed charge he has to pay, and per day is y charge, so for 26 days it will be 26y. This is equal to 1180. These two are your equations, equation 1 and equation 2. Now I am taking the help of elimination method, that is 1 minus 2, that is sign changes. So this cancels out and this will be minus 6y. This will be 1180, 1000, so 081. So this will be minus 180, cancels out, so y is equal to 180 by 6. So y is equal to 6 3s are 18, 6 3s are 18, 30. Now again you select any one of this equation. So your I'm going to select the first one. So x plus 20y is equal to 1000. So x plus 20 into 30, that is equal to 1000. So x it is so x that is plus this is 600. 600 is equal to 1000. So x will be equal to 1000 minus 600. So x will be implies that. So x will be equal to 400. X will be equal to 400. So your fixed charge is rupees 400, and your charge per day is rupees 30. So these two are your answers. So these are your answers. uh, let me see. Yeah, 400, and this is correct. Now I am going to question number 2. Question number 2. Question number 2. That is question number 2. Here, question number 2. 4 2. A fraction becomes 1 by 3 when 1 is subtracted from the numerator. Let the fraction be, fraction be x by y, and a fraction becomes 1 by 3 when 1 is subtracted from the numerator. That is by question, that is when subtract x minus 1 by y, it equal to 1 by 3, and it becomes 1 by 4 when 8 is added to the denominator, that is x by y plus 8 is equal to 1 by 4. So here this becomes 3x minus 3 is equal to y, so this will be 3x minus y minus 3 equal to 0. This is equation 1, and this will be 4x, this is y, is equal to y plus 8. So this will be 4x minus y minus 8 equal to 0. So the two equations are 3x minus y minus 3 equal to 0. This is equation 1. And 4x minus y minus 8 equal to 0. This is equation 2. Now u1 minus 2, you get minus plus plus, so this cancels out. Minus x plus 5 equal to 0. 5 plus 3, so x will be equal to 5. This is your answer. And now the next is you have to find out the value of y, that is 3x minus y minus 3 equal to 0. So 15 minus y minus 3 equal to 0. So 12 mm, so 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 the so fraction is 5 by 12. So your fraction is 5 by 12. Let me see your answer. 5 by 12. Now question number 3. Yashoda scored 40 marks in a test, getting 3 marks for each right answer and losing 1 marks for each wrong answer. So mm, mm, that means let the number of correct answers number of let the number of correct answers be x, uh, number of correct answers, and the number of wrong answers wrong answers be y. So let the number of correct answers be x and the number of wrong answers be y. So number of wrong answers be y. So here 3 marks for correct answer and 1 marks, that is for first question 3x minus y uh, is equal to 40. Yashoda got 40 marks, so this is her equation. And even 4 marks been awarded for each correct answer. For second case, it will be 4x minus 2y, that will be equal to 50. This is second. So into 2, I am going to do the elimination method. So this will be 6x minus 2y is equal to 80, and this will be 4x minus 2y equal to 50. So this is equation 3 and this is equation 4. So here 3 minus 4, this is sign changes, so this cancels out. So 2x is equal to 50, 2x is equal to 30. So here your x will be 15. You select any one of these two equations. So 3 into 15 minus y is equal to 40. So 45 minus y will be equal to 40. So minus y equal to minus 5. So your y will be equal to 5. So therefore the total number of total number of questions, total number of questions total number of questions will be equal to 15 plus 5, that is equal to 20. This is your answer. Now I am going to question number 4. Question number 4, that is question number 4. 4. The question here, it says that, yeah, this is A and this is B. Here on a highway, this is 100 kilometer apart. one car starts from A, one car starts from A, and another from B. This is another from B. Uh, B in at the um, one car and another from B at the same time. Uh, if the car travels in the same direction, they are traveling in the same uh, directions at different speed. They meet in 5 hours. Means 5 hours. Like here, see, these two car meets here. These two car here, they meets here, and after time, your time taken is 5 hours. After 5 hours, so let us consider the speed at A, the car speed, the speed of the car, speed of the car, speed of the car at A is equal to x kilometer per hour, and the speed of the car and the speed of the car at B is equal to y kilometer per hour, and they meet at C, so this both they meet at C. So how to solve it? So uh, uh, this is this case 1, this is case 1, and for car for car A, this means car at A, this is for car A. X is equal to distance covered is AC and time taken is 5. So 5x is equal to AC. This is equation 1. And for car B, for car B, for car B, y is equal to BC by time taken is 5. So 5y equal to BC. This is equation 2. So 1 minus 2, 1 minus 2, this will be 5x minus 5y is equal to AC minus BC. So 5x minus 5y, that will be AC minus BC, this will be 100. So 5 common, so if we take 5 common, so x minus y, this will be equal to 25 divided by 2, 5 to the 10. So this is equation 1. This is your case 1 when they are moving in the same direction. So uh, let me keep this equation here. X minus 1 is equal to 20. This is equation 1 for case 1. This is for case 1. And there is another case. In this second case, there is another case. And for the second case, another case for the second case, for case 2. Let me take for case 2. For case 2, they are moving in opposite directions. This is at A and this is B. This is 100 kilometer. Now they are at, one car is at A, one car is at B, but they are moving in opposite direction. So let them meet here C. At C, these two car meets here, and the time taken is 1 hour. For after 1 hour, these two cars meet here. As we know that the speed of this car is, we have taken x kilometer per hour, and speed of this car is y kilometer per hour, and they meet at C. For car A, it is x is equal to AC by 1. So x is equal to AC. This is equation 3. And uh, for car at B, it will be y is equal to BC by 1. So y equal to BC. This is equation 4. So 3 plus 4, 3 plus 4, we get x plus y is equal to AC plus BC. So x plus y is equal to 100. So this is equation 5. Now from case 2, from case 2, I got x plus y is equal to 100. This is from case 2, I got this. Now I have to solve these two equations. Now I have to only solve these two equations. That is x minus y is equal to 20 and x plus y is equal to 100. Now this is equation 1 and this is equation 5. So we are going to add 1 plus 5. Y cancels out. 2x is equal to 120. So x will be equal to 120 by 2. That is equal to 60 kilometer per hour. And you put the value of the 60 in equation 1. So x minus 60 is equal to 20. So x will be equal to 80 kilometer per hour. So x not. I did a mistake here. Let me select the equation 2. So 60 plus y is equal to 100. So y is equal to 100 minus 60. That is equal to 40 kilometer per hour. These two are your answer. These two are your answer. So car at A will